Excel is no doubt a useful software developed by Microsoft, and it is a spreadsheet that is used for Windows, Android, and other operating systems like Mac OS and iOS. In this video, I will explain you how you can split your Excel cells into columns. So this video will surely be going to be very useful for you. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then just subscribe it immediately, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will be notified by my new and upcoming videos and all the updates about my videos. Let's start. Go to start menu and open Microsoft Excel 2016. I have installed in my system, and from here just click this blank worksheet, and here are the columns. First of all, I will write some dummy data over here, like this is the roll number of any student, and this is the name of the student. I will write like uh, student roll number and name separated by commas. Like this, just I'm writing some data separated by commas. Now I want to split these cells into multiple columns, because I want the roll numbers to be appear on the one column, and I want the names to be appear on the second column. What you will have to do is just select these columns and go to this data tab from here, and after this just you click this text to columns, and from here just keep this delimited selected like this as it is. Then from here click next, and from here uh, just click the comma, because we have applied the comma. We want the columns, the cells to be splitted uh, uh, where the comma is located. So when we click this comma and just click next, and keep all these fields selected like this, then click finish. Here you can see that the roll numbers are now separated in one column, and the names are separated into another column. So this is the very simple procedure with the help of which you can split your cells, your Excel cells, into columns. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. In my upcoming videos, I will bring more better topics to increase your information, to increase your knowledge about other useful things. Don't forget to watch my upcoming videos, because I'm going to bring very important and interesting and useful topics for you, useful videos for you. So stay tuned. Good luck.